Welcome to my YouTube channel. Download to play. Let's go. Duolingo is an application designed to help you learn languages easily and comfortably, so that doing so doesn't feel like you're studying, but rather just having fun with one more game or app on your Android device. The application allows you to learn a lot of different languages, such as Spanish, English, French, Italian, or Portuguese. You just have to choose the language that you want to learn the first time you use the application. One of the advantages of Duolingo, as compared to other language learning applications, is the way that it uses the concept of gamification. Duolingo presents the lessons in a way that makes it feel like you're just playing a game. As you complete lessons, you earn experience points. If you make a mistake, it takes away hearts. Duolingo tries to make it so that your learning process just feels like a fun video game, and, luckily, it manages to do so. Duolingo is an excellent tool to learn any language you're interested in, whether it be Spanish, French, Portuguese, or any other. In addition, it has an eye-catching visual style and it is totally free. Duolingo now offers a new and improved learning system. It's no secret that Duolingo is a must-have app for anyone who's motivated to learn or improve their foreign language skills. The app's creators are always looking for new ways to maintain user loyalty, and this new update has revamped the classic learning system. Now you can continue improving in a specific subject thanks to its new system with levels. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in my channel for more video. Download to play.